Hi, was Samanath. So this is about a glance on the world market. The world market last week, how it performed in the last week, and coming week, how we can anticipate. I can't say it is prediction. I can say it is anticipation. So how we can anticipate. So that and all we will see in this video. You may feel that this and all is required, but definitely it is required. If you want to make, if you want to be your in long term in the market and you want to make some money in the market, you have to have some world market glance also, world market view also we have to have. So without very easily, we cannot get easy money in the share market. It is always tough money. Okay, so with that understanding, before proceeding, it is a disclaimer. I'm not a separate advisor. Whatever I'm speaking here for educational purpose, sharing my views. So always a good trader or investor have to do their own study and analysis and have to take their own decision. With this understanding, we will proceed. Before that, I will say a request. You may feel that this video is not relevant to you. It may be not relevant to you, but it may be relevant to unknown your friends also. So please do share with your other WhatsApp group. So someone will get benefited as well as I also get benefited. Okay, so now it is if you see the world market, there is four important index: MSCI World Index One Index, and MSCI America Index, MSCI Europe Index, MSCI Asia Pacific Index. So I made a video about MSCI, or just Google it. What is MSCI Index? You will get to know. So there are four index. One is for America region. So if you say it's America Index, it is not only the USA. It is North America, Canada, USA, Mexico, Central America, Panama, and South America. If you say Brazil, Chile, Argentina. So this region, it all covers this America Index. Similarly, if you see the Europe Index, it not only Europe, Middle East, this Arab countries and African countries. So collectively, there's a Europe Index and Asia Pacific Index. So which includes our India, China, Japan, Taiwan, Australia, this index. So collectively, the whole, all this collectively, these three index, the whole world index, that is called MSA World Index. So these four index is very much important. So how it performed the region wise, the world market, we come to know. So before now we will see in the chart actually. So this in March, when my watch list, I kept all these four indexes so that we will see. So this is world index, America index, Asia Pacific index, Europe index, MSCI India index, similar to NSE in Nifty 50. This is MSCI created index for India. It's like Nifty 50. So we have now four indexes. So sorry, six indexes. We will see one by one. First, we will start with America. So again, say American indices is not only USA index, not only it is a Dow, it is American region, that is Canada, USA, Mexico, Central America, Panama, then South America, Chile, Brazil, Argentina, those countries. So if you see this America region, last week it not performed very well, as this is USA have a very good, a very high weightage in this index. So if you see, we all know, if you see my post market report, I clearly said that USA not performed. The last two sessions has not performed. Almost Dow 1,000 point it has lost. So you can, if you see this week actually, we come to know the performance was not good on the weekly basis. I am saying. Similarly, if you see the Europe index, it touched the all-time high, and then there was a heavy profit booking. That what it indicating, this is selling pressure. But anyway, on weekly basis, the Europe index also closed positively. Similarly, if you see the Asia index, it performed well again last weekend. I think Thursday, Friday. Other market also in Asia like China, Japan, Taiwan, Australia, so not performed very well. So that's what selling pressure we able to see. But anyway, marginally positively closed, we can say that. So that's what the green candle indicates. So Asian market marginally positively closed. Now come to Indian market. As per the MSA, Indian market, if you see, we have quite a good green candle. So last week our performance was very good. Only One day it was, I think, quite negative, and yesterday also it was, despite of very good result the NDA scored in Bihar election. The throughout the day market was negative, but at the last moment, last half an hour, it spiked up more than 150 point. It had recovered and close to 30 point positively. If you see my last video, you come to know that. So overall, if you see our market last week, week on weekly basis, it has performed very well. It has gave a very good upper side closure. Similarly, the Nifty 50 also confirming the same thing. So actually, this index includes nearly 180 stocks, but our Nifty 50 only 50 stocks. That too, all are the large cap, but this includes large cap and mid cap also. Don't take it as large cap and mid cap with respect to Nifty large cap and Nifty mid cap. So this is not considered the Nifty, but it took 180 stocks. So almost it is fall between false the large cap and mid cap. We can say that logically. So both the chart, if you see our market last week performed very well. So if you see the coming month, we can expect very again a good green candle in all the market. So this is the world market. I forgot to say. If you see the selling pressure all the region. So that's what the same collectively these three indexes showing here. So the point here is last week our market compared to rest of the world, our world market, our Nifty performed very well. Our Indian market performed, Sensex performed very well. So that's why we have to take. Now we will see how monthly basis our market, how can we anticipate. So this is based on only ATR indicator. So again saying this slide is based on the ATR indicator. It is not based on the price action. It is not based on the technical analysis. It is not based on the fundamental. So what ATR indicator? It's average to rate. The fluctuation, the high to low average, how much it will show. So I took this from the monthly candle. I will show in the chart. So based on the monthly candle, the ATR is for the Nifty 1250 point. Mean Nifty from the high to low, it traveled 1250 point, or low to high we can say it is 1250 point averagely. Similarly, Bank Nifty 3150 point. So if you see the Nifty 1250 point, so from the high to low, so whatever the high made Nifty in this month, from the high, there is a possibilities in the rest of the 10 session it may go 24,800 in the downside, but the possibilities are very less because market is in very good optimism. So from the low to high, based on this ATR indicator, it may go 26,500. So we are very much near to 26,000. So the high possibility is 26,500. So this is the anticipation, not the prediction, based on the ATR indicator. Similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty, from high to low, market may be Bank Nifty may go down till 55,500, but the possibilities are very less because we know our Bank Nifty are at all time high, and it is very good upside optimism. So based on that, if you see from the low to high, it may reach 60,000 to 60,300 by end of this month. So this both are from the ATR indicator. Now I will show you in the chart. So first is it is a monthly chart. So Nifty, this is the ATR. So if you see, it is 1257. So based on this, I made that calculation. Similarly, Bank Nifty, it is again monthly candle. The ATR is 3150, around 150. So based on that, I made it. And if you see for this candle, if you see the low and high here, you can get calculated. From the low, it is 25,300 the low. So 1250 point, it comes to 26,500. So that's what I said. The upside, it will go that much. Similarly, the high to low, if you see the high 26,000. So from that 24,800 would be the downside, but the market is in very bullish, so we can expect 26,500. Similarly, I made it. So if you see the higher and low here, the low is 57,150. So based on this, it may go to 60,300. If you take it from the high to low, it will go to 55,000. So that's what I made it. Let me see. Hopefully, if this achieved, Nifty and Bank Nifty both are in the all-time high. Okay, so with this we'll wind up this video. Again, we will see you on the upcoming daily post-market videos. Once again, a request, please do share with our other WhatsApp groups, so many people will get benefited, as well as I also get benefited. Okay, see you next video. Until bye bye. Happy weekend.